What you doing? Hey, Eva. What do you want? Hey. Kitty. Big kitty. Stretched out. Oh, that's it. Born now. I didn't want food. What do you want? Huh? What do you want? Ow! Why do you do that to me? You want to play with the string? Huh? You want to play with the string? Yeah. Ooh. Going a little crazy. Someone's got a lot of energy. Here, kill it. Ah. Come here, baby. Eva! Hey, you! Come on, Wally. What a boring poop. Wally, you failed us. Fails, Wally. Grandmother got us this for the cats. She actually was sleeping. My dad just scared her. It folds up like a tent. And, well, hey, if she keeps to enjoy it, let's see if she likes it even in tent mode. Eva! Hey, you like that? The little pad thing?